everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find weekly recipes, inspiration and more. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing. In today's new video, we're going to make an eggless omelette. I know, usually those two words don't really go together, but I'm going to show you how to make one. It's a great alternative to omelette, especially to put like on a plant-based sandwich or a wrap. It's delicious. Of course, doesn't have a very eggy flavor because it doesn't have eggs, but the texture and the look really reminds me of a regular omelette. So, shall we? Let's begin.
So let's make this eggless omelette. I'm going to use chickpea flour. You can find it in bigger grocery stores, in bulk food stores, or you can even make it at home from dried chickpeas. I also suggest adding to the flour a pinch of turmeric to enhance the yellowish color of the mixture and make it look even more like a real omelette. But if you don't have it at home, you can totally skip it too. I throw in some salt and some black pepper and I give it a quick mix. Pour in the water and I whisk it up until there aren't any clumps. And then I set it aside. Now in a pan with a drizzle of olive oil, I slightly fry up half of an onion, red or yellow or white, whatever color you want, for about 3 minutes. I'm going to make my omelette with a zucchini, but you can totally substitute it with another vegetable of your preference, such as bell pepper or mushrooms or whatever you prefer. I like to grate the zucchini with a sumo slicer, or you can use a regular cheese grater or even cut it up in slices with a simple knife. I added the zucchini to the onion and right away I add some salt, which will help the zucchini release their moisture. I also strongly suggest adding some rosemary that will give the omelette such an amazing aroma. And if you like, a little bit extra black pepper. I put the lid on and I let them cook for just 5 minutes. And then I add them to the eggy mixture. In the same pan with just an extra drop of oil because I want to keep this omelette healthy, I pour in the omelette mixture. If you don't have a good non-stick pan, you may need to add more oil to avoid the omelette to stick right onto the pan. I cover the omelette with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then I check the omelette by raising the edges and I flip it over using a plate. I let the other side cook for another couple of minutes, just like you would with a regular omelette, and once it's cooked, I serve it onto a plate. This is a great side dish. This is also a great source of protein since it contains chickpeas, and it's perfect to put on a sandwich or a wrap with a little bit of lettuce and your favorite toppings. Enjoy!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. It really helps my video grow. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new weekly videos. See you next time. Bye bye.